there are a lot of opportunities to do it successfully. That's why you are here developing cooperation between those states. Kenya for us is a great organizations that are being placed on a permanent basis. And there's a sign and African continent. And it would be a great pleasure our embassy in Nairobi on a permanent basis with the permanent residents led by our ambassador.
Kenya views Kazakhstan as an important logistics hub for our trade and investment opportunities, delegation and government to use for our premier agricultural products, from tea to coffee to macadamia, for our premier agricultural products, from tea to coffee to macadamia.
There are a lot of opportunities